Hello, ladies and gents. Today I want to show you how you can update your CentOS 7 kernel to the latest version. Okay, sometimes this is necessary because some services use the latest kernel. Okay, so we are logged into my my computer, my remote server. Okay, the best way to see what kernel you have, just type uname dash msr. Just type uname dash msr. Okay, it's showing right here that I have kernel 3.10, but I want to update to the latest kernel possible. So how do I do this? First of all, let's do I don't need to do a sudo since I'm already the root user, so I'm just gonna type the commands without the sudo prefix. Okay, so alright. Now let's enable the repositories for the latest kernels. Okay, so zoom in, sudo, I'll increase the font size so you can see better. Sudo rpm -- import https //www elrepo.org rpm gbg, all in caps, key. I'm gonna leave the instructions below anyway. Okay, here now elrepo.org. Okay, fine. Now let's do, I'm just gonna copy paste this shit. Great. Okay, now I can see the list of all the kernels. 5.4.8 is the latest. So I'm gonna install it. Yep. All right. Okay. Now we want to see the kernels that we have. Okay, we have this one first. Rescue. Blah blah blah. I want to use the first one. Okay. So I'm gonna go and do this. Now, I'm gonna go to Etsy default. Now I'm gonna make a backup. Copy, grab, back. I like Vim better. So in Vim just to delete a line, just type dd, deleted this line. I'm gonna add this line right here. Save. Okay, let's go. A to append. That's it. Okay. Right, and quit. Now do this command right here. And reboot. Okay, after rebooting your server, log back in, and now I want to see what kernel is being used. So you just type uname dash snr. Oh great, it's using the latest one. So there you go, you have the latest kernel installed on your server. Well, see you later, have a good one, goodbye.